G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and today I'm here to introduce to you the ABCs of PSE. Twice a week I'll be releasing new videos that explain to you how you can use all of the tools in the Photoshop Elements toolbox. We'll be doing one a day in alphabetical order based on their keyboard shortcut. So bonus, you'll be learning which letter on the keyboard relates to these tools as well. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll get every video in the series. And if you want to be sure you don't miss a thing, you'll want to sign up, because in my email I'll be sending you updates when each video goes live, but also you'll be getting my free shortcut cards and the ABCs of PSE printables. So sign up, and I can't wait to see you on Monday when the first video goes live.